Rachel, and this is part of my project upstairs. This is what we're hoping to have a studio in soon. And we've got the brick walls all exposed. It used to have stucco on it, but we've pulled all that off. We're going to be varnishing it with a matte finish to provide the little extra insulation and keep it from being so dusty. Finishing the floor, giving it a little bit of reinforcement, and finishing the new wiring because all of the old wiring was the good insulator type. We might leave it up there just for old time's sake. But we are hoping to put back in some of the old tin that was removed. There's a lot of water damage, but if we can get some of that tin put back in the small dressing area, that will help us kind of hold a piece of that history. And we're going to keep the old piano up here that was part of the Masonic projects. That was part of the Eastern Star. 1938 was the date we found on the piano. So
That's
that
cool.
was really cool. But
And that amount of roughage, I assume, was all over this place, and you guys cleaned it all up.
At least, yes, definitely. We weren't sure which parts of the floor were safe to step on, and I have a new disdain for pigeons. But they have all been evicted, which is a miracle, honestly. So, yeah, that's where we're at on this part of it.
And so this is the top part. This is going to be the dance studio.
This will be the studio, and yeah, have the flooring put back in, and all of this very open space right here, all the way through to the old brick wall that used to be the back of the building.
Oh, nice. Oh, right, because they added the addition on the back.
The 1950s is what saw the cinder block addition. Definitely a different style of construction. The insulative value of this brick is a million times better than cinder block.
Yeah, man, it's amazing that it stood so long too. I mean, you can see
the construction's incredible.
Yeah.
We
definitely
have some repointing to do on some of that, where it's shifted with the old wood stove locations for sure.
Was there a wood stove up top?
Downstairs.
Downstairs. Okay.
Downstairs, right here below this area was where the wood stove was.
Okay.
And so we've got to go back and repoint that, which is challenging.
Yeah. And then you mentioned something about this little small space. I can't remember what you said. This was the original floor that was here?
Where the original floor is where we're going to have the dressing rooms and like sitting area. We're going to put the rest of that wood floor back in across this whole section.
Okay.
And then take the tin and put it back up on the ceiling.
Oh, nice.
Refinish it and get everything polished up.
When we go downstairs, I want to spend some time on what you guys did with the ceiling down there, because they took this stuff and they restored it, and it looks really good downstairs. You guys will like it. All right.
All right, thanks.